I'm Andrew Kercher. I'm a local historian here in Port Huron. I'm really excited to welcome all of you to Port Huron for the Boat the Blue Vintage International Boat Show 2026. We're here where some of the history is being worked on. We're getting these boats prepped to be in the water, but we're excited to have you here all week. I'm going to be doing a series of talks that week about the history of our area. On Monday, I'll give you some Port Huron history highlights, all about our most famous son, Thomas Edison, how the town wound up as the maritime capital of the Great Lakes. On Tuesday, we'll be talking about some of the bridges. The first international underwater train tunnel anywhere in the world is right here. You'll transverse right over top of that in your beautiful boats. And of course, on Wednesday, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite topics, mahogany bootleggers. We're going to be talking all about how in the 1920s, these fast boats were running about 75% of the illegal moonshine over from Canada here into Michigan. Exciting stuff, so much to explore in the area. We're so excited to have you. Can't wait.